Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word igualmente in depth. First, the definition. Igualmente means a Spanish adverb meaning likewise or equally. Think of it simply as a way to say same to you or express equality. It can be used to respond to a greeting or to indicate something is equal or identical. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Igualmente traces back to the Spanish word igual, meaning equal, with the adverbial suffix mente. Over time, it's been used by Spanish speakers to convey mutual feelings or equality. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use igualmente in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. When someone wishes you well, you can reply with igualmente to mean same to you. Correct example 2. They treated everyone igualmente with fairness and respect. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to igualmente my way out of homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using igualmente correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Igualmente means a Spanish adverb meaning likewise or equally. It comes from the Spanish word igual, meaning equal, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with igualmente down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.